Good morning, you guys. 5 a.m. is not the time of day where I want to be speaking to a camera, so voiceover it is. I'm heading directly into the bathroom to do my skincare. I always, when I wake up this early, want to just get ready as fast as possible. So right into skincare. We're only using 2-3 products maximum to make our lives easier and take less time. And right after that, we're getting into our outfit, which is pretty simple. Some white jeans, this asymmetrical top that I've been loving. Look how good it fits on the body. Like, I'm obsessed with it. And a little belt to add a little detail. Of course, my makeup routine has literally become so quick, it's crazy. This video clip I took all in one go, and it's 9 minutes 45 seconds long. So I think I've nailed the whole getting my makeup routine down to become as easy as possible, as simple as possible, and still obviously look good. My next hack for having a super simple morning routine for your hair is doing heatless curls. You do them the night before. Now we're gonna reveal them, and look at that. Waking up with perfect hair. I didn't even need to do anything to it. Like, I just love a good little trick like that. I made a whole video about how you can do heatless curls yourself, so if you want to check it out, definitely do that after this video, and let's get some breakfast. I am now ready for the day. It is currently 6:41 in the morning. Just making sure I'm not forgetting anything. I'll show you my outfit a little bit later. I'm gonna be heading to work now, so I'll show you at work actually, because the mirror is better there and the lighting is better, because I mean it's literally dark outside, so my room lighting is maybe not it. I'm also wearing a new pair of shoes that I haven't worn out yet, which I'm so excited about. Actually, let me show you those very quickly. The shoes in question, I think they're so adorable, so cute. They're like a burgundy red color, but it's like quite dark, so I love the color of them. They looked a little bit brown on the camera, but like they're burgundy red, I promise. Let's go to work together. Let's put some music on. I know it's gonna be cold outside. Here's a 2-second tutorial on how to tie your scarf so that you're not cold outside, and that's gonna cover your head and your ears and your neck and just everything. Okay, put it, so you want to stretch it out, right? Put it over your head, wrap it around your neck, and then pull it through here so that it really sticks. Now, am I saying you're gonna look gorgeous in this? Of course you are. You look gorgeous in everything, girl. It for sure will keep you warm. And you know, when it's early in the morning, even when it's not cold, just mentally you feel cold. Also, wearing ballerina shoes out in the cold, I don't know, maybe not my greatest idea, but here we are regardless. So time to go to work. I love listening to music in the car before work. That's what gets me hyped to go to work. Now I'm so excited. Well, anyways, apart from the fact that it's like dark outside, I love the 5 a.m, 6 a.m, 7 a.m vibes. Like, the spirit that's in the air at those times of the morning, there really is something special about it. And also I feel so much more motivated, because I feel like, you know, I see everybody else that's up to on their grind or whatever. I'm like, okay, yes, I see you. And also in summer, or when it's summer or spring or whatever, you might witness a little sunrise whilst you're at it, and that's magical too. It's a vibe, and I'm getting out of breath. first part of the outfit with the cardigan on, but I don't really think I'm going to be wearing it, so let me show you the real outfit. So I've gone for this like asymmetrical cinched in the waist top, and this, I don't know what color this is, like a brown beigey color, I don't really know. Then white jeans, and I did wear a little black belt. I thought it was cute, but you can't really see it, which is kind of sad. And then of course, star of the show, my shoes. I know it's like a love-hate vibe, like you either love them or you hate them, but I mean, I love them, so that's what counts, I guess. Anyways, I'm gonna go to work. Don't think that the video ends here, because it doesn't. We have lots more to do today, but I will see you after work. Just finished work and I'm now at the grocery store. I also thought about before how when I was filming in the store, it was giving, you know, those videos of like, come to work with me at Brandy. I used to watch those when I was like 15. It kind of gave me those vibes, except for the fact that I don't work at Brandy Melville. I also just tried on a few clothes. I tried on one pair of beige trousers. They sat really well, but were absolutely way too long. A pair of jeans, and also a really pretty pink dress. I'm gonna get the dark wash jeans, I'm pretty sure. Other stuff, I don't think so, but maybe. We'll see. If you're wondering why I'm in the grocery store, by the way, I was thinking I wanted to try some protein bars because I'm about to head to the gym and I want a little snack. So why not try a protein bar before the gym, right? I'm literally becoming a gym bro or gym girly. I don't know. So let's see what they have. Okay, but why does that actually look so good? But I don't know where you find the protein bars. Like where is that? I mean, just in a snack section. I have no idea where to look. Okay, sports nutrition. I'm guessing this is the aisle. Oh my gosh, it has to be like somewhere here, right? Ooh, okay. I need to look and we'll talk later. There are so many choices. How am I supposed to choose? It sure does feel good to sit down. I ended up getting more than expected, but I got these that I thought I could just like keep in my gym bag or something. It's 6 bars that are with hazelnut and chocolate. But what I wanted to try together with you guys was this protein cookie, white chocolate almond. I don't know, I thought it looked really good, and like, who does want to eat a cookie? Can you tell I love sugar? I also got cereals because that's what happens when you buy food and you're hungry. But anyways, let's do like a taste test, I guess. I don't really know. 26 grams of protein. No way. 26. Oh, per 100 grams. I don't know how much. This is 50. Enough talking, more eating. It doesn't smell that good. This is what it looks like. It looks a little undercooked. It's very not crispy. It's not bad, but it doesn't feel like I'm eating a cookie. Anyways, I'm gonna head to the gym now. I'm gonna try and film, but I'm already gonna say sorry for how bad the quality of that is gonna be, because I just know there's gonna be people and I'm gonna be so shy and like, I'm not gonna film. I am gonna try and film, but may not be of highest quality. See you at the gym. No, because why is the light low-key always horrible when I film in my room? I'm back home. I've been home for a little while. It is currently 7:34. I've eaten, I've showered. I was gonna start like winding down for the night until I realized it's Wednesday tomorrow. If you don't know what that means you haven't watched enough of my videos, because I post every Wednesday and Sunday, or I have been at least since the start of the year, so let's keep it going. But the video that is going up tomorrow, I'm not even sure if it's fully edited. I know that I haven't done a thumbnail for it yet. I need to do links, like, oh, I'm low-key panicking. So absolutely need to be fixing that before we're doing any winding down. The video that's going up tomorrow is how to style gold jewelry. I'm not sure exactly if that will be the name of it, but I'll pop it up. I think it's this corner that it pops up in, or maybe one of those will pop up there. So if you want some inspiration on how to style gold jewelry, I also just dropped some bare facts in there. The difference between what 18K gold is versus 24K gold, all that stuff. How you can layer your jewelry. What is like solid gold versus plated gold, that stuff. And then like how you can style them for different occasions. Everyday wear, evening wear, work wear. I love a little jewelry video, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna be a little more productive, and then I'm so excited for the winding down activities that we're gonna be doing. Let me just lock in real quick. I'm still here. It's like 8:45 basically. I still haven't scheduled the video yet. See you in hopefully 15 minutes or something. This is taking so long, but I'm done with the thumbnails. So let me show you. I always do 3 thumbnails to like try them out. So these are the participants. We have Be Bold, Wear Gold. We have Golden Girl Era, and how to style gold jewelry. So I'd like to try out different styles and see which one picks up the best. You know, you gotta try different stuff out. Nine on the dot. You can't even see it. Oh, it's 9:01 now. Time to wind down. There are multiple things I like to do to wind down. Alternative number 1, I do love a good book, and I have been reading so much lately. I'm currently reading, let me show you. Actually, I was reading it earlier today. I like to sometimes, when I'm at work on my lunch breaks, I will read. So I did that today too. Girl in Pieces by Kathleen Glasgow is what I'm currently reading. I finished The Housemaid in like 2 days. It was such a fast read, really good. I really want to buy the other book, The Housemaid's Secret, I think it's called. I also recently finished A Little Life, which it was a thick book, like it was like 700 pages. But that isn't like the scary part of the book. The scary part of the book is that it's actually just really emotional, and like it does cover some heavy subjects. So little disclaimer about that book. But since I've already read today, I'm thinking let's do something else. So something that I bought recently, which I was so happy when it arrived that I've already used it once, is, oh, it's right here. I'm so excited. I got a little drawing book. I've seen these on TikTok so much, and I had to get one myself. I already had the coloring pens, and I love like drawing, and even if it's like sketching my own thing, I love that. But coloring in an already made drawing is so relaxing. I just love a little creative activity like that, where you don't need to think too much. You're just choosing colors to put on a page. So I've done one drawing so far. Are you joking me? Is that not the cutest thing ever? I want to buy new colors just to draw in this book. I had added a page underneath just in case they were to bleed through, but it didn't really bleed through. I mean, like, this is the back side, so it did bleed through that, but I mean not onto the next page, which is good. But one last thing we need to do before starting to color is make ourselves a lovely, warm, actually hot tea. Now that is what I call winding down. Even my voice is like giving up on me. We need a tea right now. This is the almond flavored herbal tea. That sounds good. It tastes like marzipan, but in a drink. I've got my coloring book, I've got my pens, I've got Netflix on. I'm watching New Amsterdam right now. It's a series. Let me know what you are watching at the moment. I'm always in need of a good Netflix recommendation, whether it's series, whether it's a movie. Let me know, because I can binge watch something so fast. This is such a cozy mood.
And she can't pass it up. So
I got this one for Nichols. Things just got better here. Online status. Happy.
on your table, under your knife, you know that
I believe there is something in your life that really upsets you.
And you did it in front of everyone.
I don't understand.
what I witnessed today was forming non-therapeutic alliance.
Okay, here is my finished drawing. I mean, how adorable are these little drawings? I love it so much. I low-key forgot about my tea. It's probably cold. Not even lukewarm, but not freezing either. Once again, so sorry for this lighting. I don't know how to make it better, because I feel like if I put a flashlight in my face, I don't think that's giving much better. Or is it? It's giving a little blue. It is now almost 10 o'clock. I'm gonna be heading to bed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like it. I will simply see you in my next video. Bye bye.